Welcome to another update video on Simple Coin, and I'm particularly interested in this Simple Coin because it's not just a meme token. It is a coin, a native token of an existing exchange, and I've made this should be about my third video on this also. Now, in my last video on Simple Coin update, where I talked about withdrawal update, that withdrawal is now enabled, I didn't do the withdrawal actual. So I want to take you through how you can do the withdrawal now into your Simple app. Okay. Now, one thing I also discovered that I need to let you guys know is that this token or coin will be launching in the first quarter of next year, that is 2025, and that's to tell you that it is not late at all for you to make it big on this particular project, right? You can start now and then be serious with it, accumulate the much you can. Let me tell you, this token is going to be huge, and there are a few others that will also perform alike, like Bloom, Sex.io, and then SexP, right? The link to all this, to join all this, will be in the description box or in the comment section. And then if you join my Telegram channel, you will have updates on all this every moment. I mean, timely one. So let's just dive straight into the video. We want to quickly make withdrawal now, and take note that you are withdrawing every day if you want to withdraw on daily basis, but then you are only going to be withdrawing 10% of the balance you have right here. So I'm going to click on this withdrawal icon. I already know the terms already, and I think I've met the condition right now. I have over 20 invitees. Okay, that is for the first phase of the withdrawal. If you don't have up to that, don't worry, no need to panic. There will be time for you to make withdrawal, but put effort to make sure you bring in people, downliners, form a team, and then you perform better. So I've read all the conditions and I've met it. I'm going to hit on the continue. So when I hit on continue, you're going to see that this is actually max. I have 1,672,080 coins. So this is the 10%. This is the 10% of the 1 million, which is 167,280 SMPL coin, right? That is by default. This is the maximum I can withdraw for today. But since this is a test, I cannot afford to lose this, right? I cannot afford to lose a whole of this. So I'm just going to withdraw, let's say 10,000. I can input it manually here. Let's say I'm trying to withdraw 10,000, right? That is what I want to withdraw. That is what I want to withdraw. So subsequently, since I can be making the withdrawals on daily basis. So you see here now, from Simple Coin to Simple app. Make sure that you have the email that you use in registering the Simple app. By the way, the link to register the correct or to download the correct Simple app will be in the description, in the comments, anywhere you find it, and in the bio as well. And then the link to start farming on Telegram will also be there. So having put this, I will now click on withdraw. I will hit withdraw and we'll wait for a while it's processing. You have successfully withdrawn 10,000 Simple coin to your Simple app. Go to the Simple app and credit the funds to your balance. So I'm going to hit on got it. Do not go away from this platform. I will hit on got it. You can see now it has redirected me to the Simple app. This is the reason why you need to have the Simple app on your phone. It directed me to either Chrome or Simple app, but of course we're going to choose Simple app. So I'm just going to choose Simple app so that I will go to the app proper. I'll choose it and I'll click once. So we'll be redirected to our Simple app. And if you have security on the Simple app, you'll be prompted to key in your login details. That is your password or your PIN. Let's wait for a while for it to load up. All right, so I'm just going to put my PIN right away so that we'll go in. Yes. So this is how the app looks like. For those of you who have not downloaded it or who do not know how it looks like. So here we go, and then it has redirected us to the app. We just have to exercise patience. Since it redirected us to this place, then something is going to pop up for us to confirm and receive and of course collect the app right into our collect the coins right into our app here. So let's give it some minutes or some seconds, as the case may be, depending on the strength of your network connection. All right, so after a while I just saw this pop up, so you have to just wait a bit. I'm just going to click on collect, so that collect 10,000 SMPL. So I'm just going to click that, and voila, that is it. It's saying we are excited to introduce our new Telegram mini apps, blah 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 blah. Just read it. If you go down, you're going to see the this is the roadmap. You can see simple coin released. Okay, they've done that already. Boost, tax, and wheel of fortune, which of course we are using. Collecting coins into simple app. This is where we are currently. Token SMPL. So it's going to be, of course, we are stepping into this. This has started already. We are stepping into this. Partner engagement and listing is first quarter of 2025. So you are not late. You can start now. All the links that you need will be in the description box. And if you join my Telegram group or channel, link will be in the bio. Link will be in the description box as well. We'll be giving you updates on daily basis, and you don't need to miss this opportunity. So how do we know if we have actually received it? If you click here, you are going to see your transaction history, and voila, this is what we have received just now, right? This is 25 June 2024 by 1:55 p.m. Look at the time here. This is 56 p.m. So I have it resident in my account. And if you want to check to know if you actually received it, in case yours is hidden, you just to go back a bit and then click here to enable it. I hope you can see. Look at it. This is 10,000 SMPL received, right? If we click on it, we are going to come back to this place. Then you see this, right? So, and further, you check here to confirm the history as well, right? So if I want to go back to Telegram, I will just hit this place, launch simple coin. When I hit there, I'll be going back to Telegram. I'll choose the Telegram that I want to, which is this, and then I'll click once. I'll go back to this place. You can see that it has been reduced. My balance has been reduced already. Okay, so that's how you do it. And remember, you don't have to withdraw everything you have here, because you might still need them to do boosting. So if you click here, you are going to purchase all these cards to boost your coin per hour and then your tap limit. I've made a video on that already. You can check in the description box to see the video I made and to know the most profitable cards that you need to buy to upgrade and have higher tap limit and higher coin per hour. So that's going to be all for today's video. Many thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button if you have found value in this video. Share with others, encourage others. Let's make it huge from this platform, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.